So after discussing lot of agents which is responsible in a physical weathering, now here we in a action of wind, how wind plays a major role in physical weathering. So if I want to say wind has a both erosive and transportative erosive and transporting effect. That means imagine if I go through my previous videos, first we have discussed about the physical condition of the rock, where if it is very coarse will weather very fast, if it is very hard like basalt it will erode very late. So what will happen, so that there will the bigger size will rock will come into smaller size. Later we have discussed about the diurnal variation of the temperature, and after that we have discussed about the water effect, how the water will be transported and deposited. So similar way in a wind also has a both erosive and transportative effect. That means wind when landed with a fine particle. So when wind is come into contact with the fine particles like sand, silt, and clay, what will happen? Which have a very abrasive effect. When this sand, silt, and clay when it is passing through any rocks, what will have shown in this image? What will happen? It will hit the rock. So what will happen? It will give some abrasive effect. It will give some corrosive effect. That means the rock will be disturbed. So in the disturb again, we can see if there is a deposition of any water, then we can see some freezing and thawing. And what will happen? And due to the temperature differential agents, so wind also will pay way to for remaining agents will act upon the rock. This is how wind will act on the physical weathering. Coming to another effect called atmospheric electric phenomena. So how thunderstorms during rainy season, what will happen means these thunderstorms, rainy season, these thunderstorms when lightning break down the rock and widen the cracks. So when there is a heavy thunderstorms and very big cracks will be open, again what will happen? This laid a way for deposition of water. Again, the water will be expanses and it will break down. Again, these small portions will be carried by the water and deposited in the some other portion. Like this, the physical weathering will be takes place, and these are the important agents which is responsible in physical weathering. Thank you, and please follow the previous videos for remaining physical weathering agents. Thank you.